Hey, this is AC Lockyer with SoftWash Systems, and I'm here today to tell you about one of our outstanding affiliates there in Madison, Wisconsin. Of course, I'm talking about Madison Softwashing. And you're probably like, what the heck is soft washing? Well, soft washing is like pest control and pressure washing had a baby. Of course, you know what pressure washing is. Pressure washing is where you blow and blast stains, mold, mildew, dirt, grime off of your home or building. And you also know what pest control is. That's where you spray a chemical on a bug or fungus or something like that to kill it and to keep it from coming back. Well, imagine now if you matched both of those together where you could spray a biodegradable water-based chemical on a building that not only cleaned the building, but also killed the algae, mold, mildew, lichens, bacteria, fungus, all those things growing on the surface, cleaned it, killed it, and sanitized the surface, 99.8% sanitized. It's a great process. So, how does that get achieved? What is that process? Well, if you come in here nice and close, I'm going to talk about what is a soft wash system. Now, a soft wash system is where we're taking water, we're taking a cleaning agent like sodium hypochlorite bleach, and then we're taking surfactants, and we're blending those together into a soft washing solution to spray up on the building so we can achieve that great clean, but also to make sure that we completely sanitize the surface. How do we do that? We do that right here with our Blend 3D module. Now, what is Blend 6X technology? Blend 6X technology right here is where we're not only just taking bleach and water and one surfactant and blending those together, but we're actually coming in and using different surfactants, different hydrophobic finishing coatings, as well as different conditioners, because not every surface needs the exact same type of cleaning. So we're able to come in and specifically prescribe different solutions for cleaning different surfaces. Then right next to that, we have our Rinse DC Plus. Now the Rinse DC Plus is where after we've sprayed the soft washing solution on there, we're able to come back after all the mold and mildew and dirt and everything else is emulsified, we're able to come back with just 7 gallons a minute at about 110 pounds per square inch PSI, basically roughly about 2 times what a garden hose is, and rinse off the building because the soft washing solution did all the work. Now we're just rinsing it off with basically double garden hose pressure. Now we call this the Rinse DC Plus because it also has our plant wash system on it. Now the bleach that we're using on the pH scale is a little caustic and it has salt in it, and plants don't love that. But because of the DC Rinse Plus here, with the plant wash system in it, we come back and we spray a neutralizer on all of your landscaping and can absolutely guarantee that you're not going to have any issues with your landscaping. Then right here next to it, this beautiful machine right here is our Phantom Window Works RODI 80 Auto machine. Now, let me tell you what all those acronyms mean. RODI, that's reverse osmosis deionized. And basically what we're doing with this machine here is we're making spot-free water. Through a reverse osmosis deionizing process, we're taking all of the minerals out of the water and turning it into spot-free water. So whether you have a beadboard ceiling or you have windows on your property or any highly gloss painted surfaces, the property gets cleaned, and then when we rinse it, we come back with the spot-free rinse and make sure that it dries completely spot-free. Very similar to what you might see in a car wash. All of this is on one of our 72-inch cradle skids. Now come around back here to the back of the truck. I want to show you something pretty cool. Now, listen, I realize it's Wisconsin, okay? And it's not California. But today we still care about the environment. We want to do our part. We want to make sure that we're protecting the waters and that we're, you know, wherever we can, we want to take the extra steps to be good stewards of the environment. So what is very cool about this entire cleaning system is right here. Everything on this truck is 12-volt DC powered. And that's very, very cool. Listen, I'm a hunter, I'm a fisherman, I love the outdoors. I also love my hot rod cars, I love gas-powered cars. But when I could take a gas-powered truck and re-harvest the electricity its alternator is making anyhow, send it to the back of the truck through a DC charging system that we have here, and power these 5 Group 31 DC batteries to create a power cell to run everything on this system, that just makes sense. And so we do that here at Madison Softwash and SoftWash Systems, and it allows us to not only clean the building very sustainably with soft washing, but also too with power that would have went to waste as we were driving down the road. We're able to recapture it. So it's very, very cool. Beautiful, nice, clean system here. If you come around to this side of the truck, I want to show you a little bit about the soaps that we use. Now, all of our products that we use, the soaps, the chemicals, everything that we're going to spray on your building are what we call our Good Stewards products. And Good Stewards products means that they're all water-based, biodegradable, low VOC, non-hazardous products. All right? So if you look at these tanks across the back here, these 6 tanks, they all run through into the Blend 6X. It's what we use to make our different cleaning solutions. So whether we're talking about our Restore here, which is a leave-in conditioner, it's great for shingle roofs, it's great for wood, it's great for canvas surfaces, anything that has a fiber, or we're talking about our Green Wash, which is our antimicrobial surfactant that takes care of all the green stuff like mold, mildew, algae, fungus, viruses, things like that. Or we're talking about our Terra Wash. Terra means the land. This is what we use for dirt, silt, grime, those types of mineral type of stains. Our Final Wash here, which is our hydrophobic waxing soap that we put on your windows and on your building and on your painted surfaces to make them gloss and pop and be hydrophobic and bead up like the finish on a car. Our Rain Fresh here, which is our scent that keeps the smell of the chemicals and the dying algae and mold and mildew from that smell being present. And then finally, what I talked about with the Rinse DC up there, our Plant Wash that we neutralize all of your landscaping with to absolutely ensure that you're not going to have any damage to your plants. All these are carried here on these saddle tanks in this state-of-the-art, beautiful SoftWash system that is exclusive to SoftWash Systems. Hey, how do you engage a great company like Madison Softwash? Well, you just got to make sure that you absolutely look for the shield. You want to look for this shield right here. This is the shield that tells you that the company that you're hiring is a SoftWash Systems licensed affiliate. There's a lot of companies out there that have started soft washing, just slinging bleach on buildings, and that's not the way to go. You need proper licensing, proper insurance, and more than anything, proper training and certifications. And Madison Softwash has received those proper training and certifications from us. Hey, and another note here, and this is important, Madison Softwash is a 90-year-old company. Great heritage, family business, but they're also part of S&K Building Services, a great national company that supports them on the national level with the great locally owned Madison Softwash. You can give them a call. They're in Madison, Wisconsin at 608-256-7632. That's 608-256-7632. You can find them on the web at madisonsoftwash.com. Again, Madison Softwash and S&K Building Services are our local SoftWash Systems licensed affiliate there in Madison, Wisconsin. And as always, this is AC Lockyer. Go forth and prosper.